One of the easiest way those in my Telegram community are making money in this space is participating in trading competitions. And last month, I posted two different competitions. One is from Bybit, and as you can see right here, I have three persons from the community who actually qualified. And the first person that is going home with 150 USDT, the second person is going home with 100 USDT, and then the third person that is going home with 75 USDT. And these rewards has already been distributed to their various accounts. Somebody even sent me a screenshot who has actually received his own, as you can see right here. And you too can participate in things like this and make money for yourself. If you call yourself a trader, or if you're trying to venture into trading, one of the ways you can easily make money, aside the profit you make from your own capital that you trade every day, is participating in trading competition. Another of the trading competition I posted last month is this one here from Wix, right? As you can see right here. Among the hundreds of teams that were created in that week's competition, one of these, this person topping, who is number one right here, is from my community. And as you can see, this person and his or her team members are going home with $21,000. And out of this $21,000, the team leader is going home with 20% of that. So do the math yourself. This is a work that was done in less than a month, and this person is going home with this amount of money. So why the team leader is going home with 20%, 40% will be shared among the top 10, and the remaining 40% will be shared among every other person, from position 11 down to the least person in that team. So you too can be active in the community and participate and make money for yourself, guys. These are things you can participate in and make a lot of money for yourself. So whenever I post anything related to trading competition or any opportunity in this space, make sure that you take action and participate. Don't just sit down and look. This is one of the way, okay? This could be you the next time. Okay, it could be you that I'll be talking about in a video like this. So be active in the community, participate, make sure you enable notification to be able to get access to all of the information we publish on that channel, and you could be the next winner.